Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your class. In last class, we have discussed about exponents. What is exponents? Base, power, index, and some laws of exponent means multiplication of base. Okay, with division of base and prime factorization. Okay, and one more laws already we have discussed, power of a power. I hope all of you are trying to solve the questions related to these rules or laws. Okay, so today we will discuss the next rule or laws, multiplication of power with equal exponents. Means if we multiply two equal power with different base exponent, so what will be the result? How we can find their result? Okay, see here, suppose we multiply 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. So what will be the result? See here, in the result or in the product, we will write 2 into 3 with common power, whole power 3. Either we can write this 2 into 3 6 to the power 3 or whole power 3. Okay, मीन्स जब भी हम दो डिफरेंट एक्सपोनेंट को मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं जिसमें पावर आर सेम बट देयर बेस आर डिफरेंट, देन इन द रिजल्ट और इन द प्रोडक्ट द बेस आर मल्टीप्लाइड एंड पावर विल बी कॉमन. ओके, सी सो हियर यहाँ मैंने मल्टीप्लाई किया 2 into 3 to the whole power 3, 2 into 3 6 to the whole power 3. Okay, same we can use for negative number, minus 3 to the power 4 into minus 5 to the power 4. So again minus 3 into minus 5 to the whole power 4. So here we write minus 3 into minus 5. 5 3s are 15, we know that, and minus into minus always plus. So here we can write 15 to the whole power 4. Okay, same we can apply this rule for the rational number. Okay, or in time of other number. So we can generalize this rule, means multiplication of power with equal exponent as what? A to the power m into b to the power m is equal to a cross b to the whole power m. Either you can write this ab to the whole power m. Okay, clear? So this is the laws or rule for this. Okay students, some examples given in your book, you will try to solve like this. 4 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 3. So what will be the result? 4 cross 7 to the whole power 3, and 4 into 7 is 4 7 are 28. So you can write this here 28 to the whole power. Okay students, now we will proceed to the next rule, division of power with equal exponent. Division of power with equal exponent. See here, division of power with equal exponent. Okay, you see, suppose we will divide 2 to the power 3 upon 3 to the power 3. So here in the result, what will be the answer? 2 by 3 to the whole power 3. To the whole power 3. Okay, means if two exponent are divided with same power, okay, our two base are divided with the same power, then in the result the power will be common. Okay, clear? Same as you can apply this for the other examples like this, minus 3 to the by 4 to the whole power 4. You also write this one. Okay. Either here we can apply distribute the power minus 3 by applying this in reverse form, minus 3 to the power 4 upon 4 to the power 4. Okay. So you can solve this. You will get the answer like this: minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 and 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Solve this one, multiply this, you will get the answer. What? Minus into minus plus, again into minus, minus, again into minus plus. So multiply whole, you will get 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, 3 is 81. 81 upon 4 4 is 16, 4 is 64, 64 4 is 256. Okay, say you can solve this one, you will get the answer 2 into 2 into 2 upon 3 into 3 into 3. 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 3 is 9, 3 is 27. Okay, so students, here, so we can generalize this rule as here a to the power m upon b to the power m. We can write this a by b to the whole power m. Either again we can reverse this a power m on b power m. Okay, this one. Now, so this we can apply again for the other number also, rational number. Okay, any real number. One more rules. See here in the division also. If we two exponents with negative power, 2 by 3 to the power minus 2. Here one exponent is given with the negative power. So what will be the result? See, first we will write this 1 upon 2 by 3 to the power 2. Okay. Again use this rule. Distribute this power on both 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2. So what will be here? It becomes its reciprocal. 3 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2. So it becomes 3 by 2 to the power 2. Okay. Means if any exponent or any number having negative power, then in the result it becomes its reciprocal. Okay. So we can generalize this a by b to the power minus m. You can write this one b by a to the power plus n. Either you can write this b to the power n upon a power. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? पावर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाएगा. ओके, क्लियर? यहाँ पे माइनस पावर है, पहले इसका रेसिप्रोकल हुआ, फिर क्या हुआ? पावर यहाँ पे आपस में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो गया. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, क्लियर? So you can apply this rule also for the any type of numbers. Okay, that's not real or any rational numbers. Clear? One more thing. If any negative number having even or odd power, suppose minus 5 to the power even, so its value always positive. Always positive. If any negative number having odd power, so its value always negative. Always negative. See, with example, suppose minus 5 to the power 2. So what's its value? Minus 5 into minus 5. Clear? So 5 5s are 25 and minus into minus plus. But if minus 5 having power odd, any odd number power, so what is the result? Minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. Okay, so minus into minus into minus, again it becomes minus 5 into 5, 25 into 5, 125. So if a negative number having power odd, its value always negative. If a negative number having power even, its value always positive. Okay, students, clear? So these are the rules related to the experiment. Now, some examples is given. Examples when you try to solve any doubt, you can ask. But here one example given. Example number 6, page number 82. 6 again. See how we will solve the examples. Okay, and then we will proceed with the exercise. Example number 6. Second, what is given? Write each in the exponential form. See here, 5 to the power minus 2 to the whole power minus 3. What is the rule? Here you will apply power of power. Power of power means a to the power m to the power n. A to the power m cross n means a power m. This rule you will use here. Okay. So see here, 5 to the power minus 2 to the power minus 3. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है? पहले minus 2 power है, फिर minus 3 power. Okay. So both power will be multiplied. Minus 2 into minus 3. So here it becomes 2 into 3, 6, and minus to minus plus. So 5 to the power 6. Okay. Clear? Some more examples given. 7th example, question number 3rd. Example 7, 3rd part. What is given? 2 to the power 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2. Okay. So how we solve this example? See, again apply this rule. Power of power. Power of power. So it becomes 3 to the 6 means 3 into 2 and 3 to the power 2. So 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 2. Now expand this again to the power 2 to the power 6 means here 2 multiply by itself 6 times. यहाँ पे 2 है वो 6 times multiply किया गया है. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 more. 6 times and 3 multiply by 2 times. 3 into 3. Okay. Now see here, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 to the 64 into 3 to the 9. Multiply this, you will get the answer. What? 576 means 576. Okay. So in this way we will solve the examples. Some more examples are given. Now we proceed to the exercise 5A. 5A. Any doubt, students, you can ask your doubts in next class. Okay? So the message to the teacher. Now, exercise 5A. First question. What is given? Write the base and index of the following powers. Here we list the two questions, 3rd and 5th. The 3rd one is given minus 3 to the power 7. So what is the question? Write the base and index of the following powers. Okay. So you know right this one. In this experiment, what is the base? What is the power? The number which is multiplied by itself, that is called its base, and how many times it will be multiplied, that is called its power. Okay. So which number here multiplied by itself? 3. How many times? 7 times. Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So base is minus 3. Power how many times? 7 times. Power is 7. Okay. Say last question, 5th one. First 5th part, 2 by 3 to the power 4. 2 by 3 to the power 4. So here base is what? Base that is multiplied by itself 4 times 2 by 3 and power or indices is 4. Okay. So So rest of question of this first question we will try to solve. Okay, questions. Next we proceed from 2 questions. Okay, in next class. Thank you, students.